Hello my friend, today I'm going to show you something very precious because it's the morning procedure. It is how you connect with your own best frequencies every morning and start the day in the best possible way. So today you're going to learn very precious things for your quality of life. I'm Edouard, I'm a researcher in vital and spiritual energies, and I've been trained by more than 100 different energy masters of the various traditions of the world throughout my travels, and I'm here to share my knowledge with you. So in the morning, it's key to set the good route. After, of course, you brush your teeth or maybe took your shower or before, it's key to start the day in the best possible vibration. Every day you plant a seed in your soil. It's a procedure you need to do every day. It's like it wouldn't make sense to brush your teeth or take a shower every 2 or 3 days, would it? It would be absolutely inefficient. So it's the same with this protocol. If you do it every day, it's going to expand your life, it's going to spread your consciousness, it's going to make you feel so much better in your body every day, and make you feel much more joy, connection with life, with the earth, centering you, and also preparing you and preparing you for the best events and triggering the best opportunities for your day. Many other advantages of doing this procedure that I will mention during the protocol, because everything is like a radio. You're spreading waves, so you need to tune, like the ancient radios, yourself to the best vibration in you so that you can vibrate this wherever you're going during the day until you go back home and go to bed. And you will basically walk this very high frequency everywhere and generate relationships, opportunities, events, and solutions for your problems that will be at this level of high frequency you connected to during this protocol. So I'm going to do it with you. I invite you to do it with me. It's the best moment is now, and you can stand. So I'm going to do it with the sun behind me. Usually you understand, if you're lucky enough to see the sun in the morning, the ideal is to do it like this, like I'm doing every morning. If you're at home, if you're in an apartment or a house and you can't see the sun, then do it in front of a window. I love to watch the sky when I do this. If you don't have such a window, well, do it in any room where it's convenient for you and you feel alone. You can do it on your own. Of course, you can do it in a couple if you are lucky enough to be in a couple where both are very spiritual. But otherwise, do it in the place where you feel great or in front of your altar. So, first thing you say is breathe deep. And you say, with the words coming from your chest, the center of your chest, which is the heart chakra, you say, I am the source. And let these words resonate in your body and in your energy field, in your personal universe. And I invite you to imagine, when you say these words, that it's a reality. You are one with the infinite universe. And that, my friend, is expanding your consciousness to degrees you have no idea of. It's wonderful. So you can repeat it. I am the source. Imagine you're one with the universe, which has, scientists say, more than 2 trillion galaxies. You're as big as this. You see, I close my eyes because it helps me imagine this very abstract concept that I am bigger than 2 trillion galaxies. Because yes, you are one with the source, you're the microcosm, one with the macrocosm, the small cosmos, one with the big cosmos. I am the source. Okay. So do this long enough so that you feel amazing. And then when you're done with this, you can see I do it with the noise, by the way, of the city, because this is real life. This is our life. So then you center your focus. You see, I saw the heart chakra. It's like a sphere in the chest. You say, I radiate love. And you can say eternal and infinite love in my whole universe. And I love you, Source. Feel it. If you don't feel it yet, imagine it. The spreading from your heart of infinite and eternal love through your whole universe. This is the moment when you can feel the love for all your loved ones, family, friends, your own life, all human beings. Animals. Imagine all these billion animals all around the world, trillions. More. Vegetals. Imagine all the plants, the forests of the earth, they all receive your love now. And minerals. That's the realms of consciousness. And of course you can add our wonderful planet Gaia. It's beautiful. By now you should feel great. So the next, and you can see that it's beautiful to take the time. This is what you deserve, to set this very powerful energy every morning, taking the time, because then you don't need to do it anymore and you feel great throughout the day. So the next part of the procedure is to connecting you. Some people have an anchoring which is more in the cosmos. Some people have a main anchoring which is more on the earth, because most people's anchoring is more in the earth. We will start with the earth. So you can say the words like, thank you, Source, for growing my roots inside the wonderful Gaia. Or you can say the divine Gaia. Gaia being the name that the Greeks gave to this divinity called the earth. It's consciousness. It's the name of our planet in its high consciousness side. If you don't believe in the source, you just say, I grow my roots in the wonderful Gaia. And you imagine roots of light growing through your legs and feet and under them in the ground, very deep inside and all around you. Going very deep under the earth, stabilizing you, connecting you with all the richness of the earth, with all the wealth, the fertility of the soil, the life of the soil that feeds us And also you can imagine some extremities of these roots. They connect you to, yes, prosperity, richness of the underground, and some underground river, which could be your underground source. And collecting from all of this, the richness, the love, the water that you need, the peace, the stability, the consciousness. By doing this, you're really stabilizing yourself. You are creating a connection with this planet that is a mother, nurturing mother. And we get everything from her, and all the food becomes your body. So you're really connecting with the richness and abundance of the wonderful Gaia, with unlimited benefits in your day-to-day life. And then you can say, I connect with a source at the highest point of the universe. And imagine a beam of light through your spine going to the highest vibration in the cosmos, in the universe, the source. That's your vital energy, Kundalini, being triggered by this beautiful procedure. It goes through your head. Take your time, because this is your anchoring. And you can now feel a vertical beam of energy above and below, flowing between the two. Connecting you to the cosmos, connecting you to the earth. You're now perfectly anchored. This is the vertical connection, because you started also with the heart chakra and the love. You also have this horizontal connection at the level of your chest, of your heart. So it's like a cross, which for all the people who know about the symbols, it is a representation of harmony. And when you're done with this procedure, you can see we took the time because of the benefit it's going to bring you in the day. When you're done with this procedure, you can start to set intentions for your day and pray, because in this very high vibrational state now, your intentions or prayers or visualizations are going to be very potent. So for instance, thank you, Source, for creating the most wonderful day for me and my family. Thank you for bringing me luck, joy, happiness, peace, teaching me things throughout the day, bringing me prosperity, abundance, success. The love of my life, or enhancing the love of my life, wisdom, you name it, okay? Spend time every morning setting your intentions. This can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, more. It's as long as you wish, because you are now in your center, and this is the best moment and situation when you can do this. And I invite you every morning, it's my personal request for you for sharing this video, to ask every day the following. You can do it with me now. Thank you, Source. If you don't believe in the Source, you say, I now visualize. So thank you, Source, or I now visualize peace on earth and harmony on earth everywhere. And you can visualize bright light through the planet and all around the planet, bringing peace and bringing harmony to all human beings and living forms. Take your time. You can do it with a smile. And by doing this, you become a benefactor for the planet and for mankind. You're creating a positive relationship between you and the planet, Gaia, and mankind. Maybe like me now, you will feel that your heart expands, opens when you do this with love. And when you're done, you can just do like this or not. When you put your hands like this, it's the hands on the heart chakra, so it helps you center and elevate your consciousness because they're pointing up. Thank you. And then you're ready for your day. And you will see that every day will become more and more fascinating. Just to give you this piece of information, 2 weeks ago, I didn't have the time to do my procedure in the morning. It happens, we're in a hurry. And I can tell you the quality of my day was totally different. It was much lower. So I really invite you to do this every single morning. You can do it more or less long according to your schedule, but take the time, set the alarm soon and early enough so that you have this 15, 20 minutes or more if you want, or less if you want to do it very quickly, shortly, because you're in a hurry. But this is most precious. So I hope you like this procedure. Please notice how you feel inside. Most of you may feel very peaceful and joyful and ready for the day. Maybe you can feel also some tensions or pain in some places of your body. Then please notice, because these are energy toxins that are being cleansed and healed from the procedure. And you can write your feelings in the comments, and I invite you to share this video with your friends, because the more people will do this, the better their quality of life and the elevation of the vibration on this planet. We are here to transform this wonderful planet into a living paradise. This is the goal. It's nothing less. And it's going to happen because if you become divine, if you become enlightened from your own vibrations, partly thanks to this procedure every morning, you're activating the divine vibrations and frequencies of your DNA, of your cells, of your consciousness. Doing this every day, not 3 times a day. You wouldn't brush your teeth or shower 3 times a day. It would be not efficient at all. You do it every day. Same thing with this procedure. Then you're going to literally change your life, and you'll be a different person in a few months' time. And if in a few months' time you really like this procedure, I invite you to do it all your life long. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put the thumbs up and to share it with friends. I love you, and have a most beautiful day of your life.